Hey guys, it is Randa from Randa Nutrition, and today we are making a healthy brownie that is paleo and it serves one. So it's for when you want that treat, but you don't want to make a whole batch. This is a single serving paleo brownie. So we're going to just get started. It's super easy. We have 2 tablespoons of almond flour, and it's blanched almond flour. You can get this in bulk at Costco. It's a lot cheaper there, or you can grab it on Amazon. I have a tablespoon of tapioca starch. You can also use cornstarch. That's what I've tried as well, or arrowroot powder, but tapioca starch works best. I have a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I have a tablespoon of dark chocolate chips. We also have a pinch of baking powder, and you can get a paleo variety. So I'm gonna say that's about a pinch. You want a pinch of salt. Do that, it might be a little too much, but just pinch. We are going to have a tablespoon of honey. So I'm just gonna reach right in there with the other side. I don't need to get a spoon. You can also use maple syrup if you want a vegan variety, so that works too. I'll get that all in there. And I think that's it. Oh shit, no. Oh no, we need our coconut oil. It's in the microwave. Almost forgot about the tablespoon of melted coconut oil. I was like, something's missing. There's no way this is gonna mix together nicely. And then so you add that in there as well. Okay, and then we just mix it together. You get this amazing brownie batter. Just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Yeah, good enough. Okay, so you can either separate a small baking dish, line it with foil to make it even smaller for single serving. You can use ramekins. I have this little Pyrex meal prep container. I'm gonna spray it with some avocado oil. Then I'm just gonna add the batter. I mean, I could even use a smaller one, but it's fine. There we go. So the next step, we're gonna toss it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And as I prepare this in the freezer, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so this came out of the freezer. We are now gonna pop it in the oven. It's been preheating for 350 degrees. It's gonna cook for about 15 minutes or until the edges are crispy, but the inside is still slightly gooey. You do have the option too of popping it in the broiler for about 1 to 2 minutes, just like so it gets that crackle on top. And if you want a little bit of extra chocolatiness, you can sprinkle another teaspoon or 2 of the chocolate chips on top of it, and it'll melt right when you go to take that bite. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven and I'll come back with the finished result. So it's out of the oven and it smells so good. I'm going to add just like a teaspoon of extra chocolate to it. And I'm gonna add, since this is a paleo recipe, you're gonna want paleo chocolate. And I mean, if you have coconut whip, or if you're not paleo and it doesn't matter, I mean, come on. You gotta add the whipped cream to it. So, I mean, mine just came out of the oven. You're supposed to let it cool for 10 minutes, but I just don't ever wait for anything. But I'm gonna try it. Oh my God, so good. So, so good. You're gonna love this. Make sure you try it. Let me know what you think. And don't forget, if you want more recipes or healthy meal plans, which includes recipes like this, like amazing chocolate brownies or, you know, just treats, make sure you sign up for my free nutrition library. Go to randadirksen.com/nutrition library, and you'll get some sample meal plans in there, plus some cheat sheets. And also join us at the Healthy Mamas Club. It's a group on Facebook. I'll link it below, and we will see you next week. Bye.